Welcome to another RCM Level 2 playback video. This is example weekly test number 1. We are in the key of F major. Our time signature is 4/4 and our example is 2 measures in length. I will play the example twice and I want you to tap your foot along with me. Here's the F major triad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. Okay, for the correct answer, turn to page 48 in the RCM 4-star sight reading and ear tests level 2 book. Thank you.